This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. Today we are discussing about composite view. In the last session, we completed up to what is a view and what are the types of views and about simple view that we finished in the last session. Now we are discussing about composite view. What is a composite view? Composite view is created based on multiple table data. If you are using data from multiple tables again and again, if you are using multiple table data again and again, we will write a join query. Then every time it is searching data from first table and searching data from second table and performing join condition and getting data. So if your table data is very vast number of records, having many number of records, then join operation will take long time. To reduce that long time, we will use composite view. And remember, generally composite view is also called as read-only view. Read-only view and also known as join view. Remember, in the real time, everyone is calling that as join view. Nobody will tell you composite view or read-only view. Everyone will calling it as join view. Remember, view means composite view. And what is the benefit of this? Instead of writing join queries again and again, just create a view based on that query. So if you select data from view, then you will get join data. Why? Because view definition executed internally. View definition is join query. So automatically you will get join data. Now how to create a view, composite view? See, create view name as select your data from multiple tables. If you select data from multiple tables, you should write join condition. Now, let me create a join view or composite view. So here I want to create a join view based on product data and company data. Product data and company data. Yes, thank you, Vijay. Spool C drive / users PV desktop. Under desktop, direct spool file, day 24, I think, .txt. Spool started. What is my target is I want to create join view. Create a join view based on product details along with company information. So how to create a view? Create view here vw underscore product info as select star from product details P, comma, company details C, where P dot company code is equal to C dot company code. Here your query will raise error. it is raising some error. What is that error? Table or view does not exist. So let me find out product table and company table available or not. Select star from product details. No. And again select star from company details. No. Let me create these two tables now. Company details table and product details table. And here created commit. Now let me create a view again. Create view. VW product info as select star from product details B and company details C, where P dot company code is equal to C dot company code. It will display error message, duplicate column name. Why it is giving error message? Because product table has company code column. Product table is having company code column and company details table also having company code column. So you are selecting all columns from two tables. So company code selected how many times? 2 times. So whatever the columns are there from table 1 and table 2, based on that columns, view is created generally. But view, what is a view? It's like a table. Within a table, can I maintain two column names with the same name? Two column names with the same name? No. Duplicate column names are not valid within a table. Similarly, view is not created with duplicate column names. In your select query, in the current example, in your select query, company code selected from product table. Company code also selected from company table. So two columns with same name, it's impossible. So how can I create the view? Which join will display or will give you common column only once? That is natural join. What is the join? Natural join. See. So select star from product details. Don't specify alias names. Natural join. And remove the alias name of company details table and don't specify join condition. That is also wrong. Don't specify join condition. Now what is happening? Natural join will perform join operation automatically and it will select a common column only once. Only once. And that common column is printed in the beginning of the output. Here common column only selected once because of natural join. Now your view is created. Check here. Okay, now how can I see structure of the view? describe VW underscore product info. This is the structure of product info. What is common column? Company code. Yes, in the view automatically, Sakit, if you update something in the tables, that updations automatically reflected into view because view maintains data dynamically. Okay, here common column. What is common column? Company code. So company code only selected one time, remaining all columns from product table, all columns from company table. Here, if you check data, select star from VW underscore product info. It will display complete details of your product. And you can see company name of the product and also company location. Company city also it is displaying. Okay. If anybody is asking like this, give me laptop details. Give me laptop details. Then you should display laptop details as well as its company name also you have to display. So I can display like this. Select star from view product info where product name is equal to laptop. It is displaying all laptops from all companies. First 3 laptops are from IBM. Next laptop is from Dell. Last 2 laptops are from Samsung. You can see first 3 laptops are from IBM and next laptop is from Dell and the last 2 laptops are from Samsung. So you are getting laptop details along with the company details, means getting data from 2 tables. Actually we should write join query, but I am not writing join query because already view has joined data. So if you select data from view, you are getting joined data. Not only this, let us see. Get product names along with company names. Company names. Product names come cost also. So you should get data from 2 tables. So select what you are selecting: product name, cost of the product, company name. From already this type of data is selected from view. So product info. That's all. Product name, cost, and company name. Product name, cost, and company name. So that's why this is called as join view. Join view. This is about composite view. Similarly, what is next view? Inline view. What is inline view? See, inline view is a temporary view. Remember, simple view or composite view, both are created by using create command. If you create anything by using create command, that definition is permanently created under data dictionary. The definition is permanently saved under data dictionary. but inline view is a select query. What is inline view? Inline view is a select query. It is not saved under data dictionary. So can I say all select queries are inline views? No. We know subquery, a select query under where class of other select query. A select query under where class of other select query is called as a subquery. But here inline view means select query under from keyword. Select query under from keyword of other select query. It is called as inline view. Inline view. Inline view is a temporary view. What is the benefit of inline view? Generally, inline views are useful to make complex join queries, very complicated and big join queries divided into simple join queries. Again, by using inline views, we can break complicated join queries into simple join queries. This is the benefit of inline view. So what is inline view? Inline view is a select query under from keyword of other select query. So like this. This is actually query. Under this select, under from keyword. Again, you are writing one more select. So this select is called as inline view. So this select query selecting data from the output of this select query. Remember, again, this select query selecting data from output of this select query. Generally, where we will use this, let us see. Before going to that, tell me about what is row num and what is row ID. Row num. Row num means it is maintaining sequential number for each record in the output. Select ename from EMP where job equal to manager. Listen carefully, guys. How many managers are there? 4 managers. Here, select ename, row number, row ID from EMP where job equal to manager. See, in the output, how many values it is displaying? 4 values. For these 4 values, row number maintain sequential number for each record. Assume that 2 records are duplicated. Assume that 2 records are duplicated. Even it is duplicated, still it will display sequential number. There is no duplicate under row num. Next, row ID. See, this is a column in the employee table. And I am selecting this column and also this column. So all are columns, remember. Row ID, it is displaying address of each record. From which address Jones value selected, from which address Blake is selected. That address is given by row ID. Row num, row ID. Row num is generating sequential numbers for each record in the output. Row ID is displaying physical address of each record. But we have ename column under EMP table. We have ename column under EMP table. We don't have row number column and we don't have row ID column. But how you are able to select? See, for every table, for every select, row num and row ID internally maintained. We don't see these columns in the table. We don't see these columns within the table physically, but we can access the values. That's why these two columns are called as pseudo columns. What are the columns? Pseudo columns. Pseudo columns are also called as virtual columns. Pseudo columns are also known as virtual columns. So why should I touch this concept right now? There is a reason. Generally, row ID is maintaining, row number is maintaining sequential number for each record. What is the purpose of row number? How can I use in the real time? See, row num is useful to fetch top n records from any table. What is row num? We can fetch top n records from any table. Let us see. Select star from EMP. These are the records. I want to see top 3 records. Smith, Allen, Ward. Now, select star from EMP where row number less than or equal to 3. Smith, Allen, Ward. Suppose I want to see top 5 records. Row number less than or equal to 5. Okay. Yes, fine. You are taking top 5 records. Not only from this table, you can take, see, suppose select star from product details. Here, I want to take first 5 records up to here. Up to here. How to take? Select star from product details where row number less than 6, it is also valid. Row number is valid along with less than operator or less than or equal to operator. Both are valid. See, up to lights you are getting. Whatever the data you are getting from here. So I want to order the data. I want to order the data based on cost. How can I order the data based on cost? So order by cost. The data was ordered. Generally, same query we can simplify like this by using inline view. Select star from here. I am taking top 6 records from EMP. Select star from product, okay, product details where row number less than or equal to 6. So inner query giving top 6 records to outer query. Then outer query is ordering the data by using cost. You will get same output. Compare the output. Actually, this is not the purpose of inline view. We have so many uses are there. Don't worry right now. In the coming up sessions, we have so many examples. So this is about row num. Row num is useful to get top n records from a table. In this example, latest example, this query is called as inline view. It is not saved at anywhere. That's why it is called as a temporary view. Okay. How can I order the employee data based on salary? Select star from EMP, order by sal. Then least salaried employee to highest salaried employee. Least salaried employee to highest salaried employee. Okay. From this output, I want to take top 5 employees. Listen carefully. From this output, I want to take top 5 employees. So top 5 employees, what are the salaries? 800, 950, 1100, 1250, 1250. These are the top 5 least salaried employees. Again, top 5 least salaried employees. Generally, the people will try like this. Select star from EMP where row number less than or equal to 5 order by salary. Generally, the people will write like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. Who are the top 5 least salaried guys? 800 to 1250. Okay. But here what you are getting? 800, 1250, 1250, 1600 to 975. You are not getting 950. You are not getting 1100. So your output is wrong. Say get top 5 least salaried employee details. So in this case, we have no option. First order employee data. First order employee data. So how to order? Select star from EMP, order by salary. From this output, other select query will take top 5 records. From the current output, from this output, the other select query should take top 5 records. See, select star from, okay, completed. And here where row number, how to take top 5 records, row number less than or equal to 5. Now you will get right answer. See, select star from ordered data of employee table. From that data, take top 5 records. Top 5 records are selected. Now see, you will get correct answer. 800, 950, 1100, 1250, 1250. This is your current output. This is the right answer, but it is not right. It's wrong. So here you have only one option, that should be What is that? Inline view. And one more. What is row ID? Listen. Generally, what is the use of primary key? Primary key is useful to identify any record uniquely. Primary key is useful to identify any record uniquely. Okay. Now, suppose there is no primary key, but I want to identify any record uniquely. Select ename salary row ID from EMP. Every record is having unique address. By using that unique physical address, you can identify any record uniquely. Again, I am repeating, by default, Oracle Engine maintains physical address for each record. That physical address is held under row ID column. By using row ID value, we can identify any record uniquely. Listen carefully. I want to identify this record. All of you guys see. I want to identify this record. Let me copy that record. Copied. Just I'm copying the physical address of the record. Select star from EMP where row ID equal to, this is the address. Are you getting king details or not? So by using row ID, we can identify any record uniquely. Okay. So I hope you understand what is inline view. Inline view is a temporary view and its definition not saved in the data dictionary. And also the exact meaning is inline view is a select query under from keyword of another select. Okay. And the next type of view is force view. What is a force view? Generally, view is created based on table. View is created based on table or another view. But table is not there. We are trying to create a view. In future, I will get sales table. In future, I will create sales table. So based on future table, right now, immediately I want to create view. It's not possible. Normal view not created without base table. Remember, normal view not created without base table, but I want to create it in advance without table. Then you should create it as a force view. You should create it as a force view. And remember, force views are created for advanced purpose only. And one more point, force view is not valid until you will create base table. Force view is not valid until you will create base table. Let me create view VW underscore sales as select star from sales. Actually, I don't have sales table, but I want to create a view based on sales table. In future, I will create sales table, but right now, immediately I want to create a view. It's impossible. It will raise error. If you create it by force, then view created with errors. See, I want to create this view by force. So create force view name as select star from sales. It will be created now, but there are some errors. See, view created with compilation errors. View created with compilation errors. It's not valid until you will create sales table. So this is about force view, and we should discuss about materialized view, that we will discuss tomorrow. Why? Because it's not a simple topic, it's little bit big concept. So we will completely discuss about materialized views tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you, all of you.